Hello gardening friends. In today's video I am super excited to show you the harvest of the radishes that we started in our square foot gardening bed just a few weeks ago. The proof is in the pudding. This is going to show you that this gardening method works. I'm going to harvest the radishes. I'm going to talk about what we're going to do next in this square foot bed that's going to be vacant. And I'm going to show you one of my favorite flowers from the garden. All right, so let's get down to the garden and get to it. As you can see, our radishes did exactly what they promised. They produced a crop in a very short period of time. I have actually picked quite a few of these for my breakfast, hence the name French breakfast radishes. But there are some left, then they're all ready to harvest. All right, let's pull them out. Look at that, they pull out so easy. That's a nice one, look at that. This is such an easy harvest, isn't it? Oh yeah. Looks like there were two in that hole. One of them developed and one of them didn't. Okay, so there's our harvest. Not too bad, huh? Get a nice crop of radishes for just a little bit of effort. All right, so let's rinse one of these off and we'll get to try the fruits of our labor. All right, let's eat this baby. So good. And this one was definitely a breakfast size too. Eat the greens and all. It's like my mama always used to say, there's only two things that money can't buy, and that's true love and homegrown radishes. Okay, now we're going to talk about what we're going to do with this bed for the next crop. So we're going to get out the little weeds that came up. And I'm just going to smooth this out. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to do some microgreens. That's something that I really haven't seen. I mean, they probably have done it in a square foot garden, but I don't recall seeing anybody do it. And that's going to be a crop that'll be even quicker than these radishes were. And here is one of my favorite flowers to grow, largely because they're so easy. This is a dahlia, and you plant tubers in the ground almost like a potato, and they produce these glorious flowers. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? That is so beautiful. Look how orange that is in the center and red around the outside. That is such a beautiful flower. This is probably the third year I've had these dahlias in the ground here. The first year I harvested the tubers and then replanted them in the spring, and this year I just covered them with a bit of mulch and they came growing right back. This thing is growing like crazy. These are all blooms or buds for blooms. I will put a link in the corner up here to the Square Foot Gardening series in case you've missed any of the videos, and I will put a link over here that YouTube says you will like, and I'll give you a few seconds to look at this flower while you pick your video. All right, thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. I'll see you again real soon.